Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Prestige Glenbrook, which is located in Whitefield, Bangalore, a project by Prestige Group. And today we'll be doing a project unboxing in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, internal and external, both with the parking provision, master plan, floor plan, unit plan, and then comes the current construction status of the project with the position. But before everything, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So I am standing on the exact land parcel. You can check around. This is the entrance work which is going on, and once you enter here, you will be getting the internal road of the project and then the towers. And about the sales office, of course, all the process of this project is carried on in the Prestige main office, which is in Whitefield, Bangalore. Now let me tell you what exactly Housey is. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform, where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number will get shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, no need to worry, because we are here to connect you directly with builders, because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So why to worry? Book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview. So this project is constructed in 4.5 acres of land parcel, where they are coming up with 2 towers. And each tower of 2 basement ground plus 15 floors. Additionally, this project has 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies. Now about the location part. So this project is located exactly on the Borivale Road in Nallurahalli, Bangalore in Whitefield. Now, basically, let me show you that this is the Borivale main road, and this road on this side will take you towards Nallurahalli main road, and just opposite to it, just behind me, you can connect towards Whitefield main road. Now let me tell you about the further connectivity of the project. So you can connect to Nexus Mall in just 2 kilometers. Kadugodi Tree Park metro station is 3 kilometers away, and Bagmane Tech Park is 7 kilometers away from this project. Now coming to the amenities part. So first one is the internal amenities. And in this project, all the apartments will be unfurnished with branded fittings and fixtures like of SS Sink, CP sanitary fittings, vitrified tiles and many more. Now coming to the external amenities, so this project provides you ultra luxurious amenities like of clubhouse, swimming pool, half basketball court, kids play area, garden area and many more. Now about the parking provision. So this project provides you 2 types of car parking, and that is the basement level and the ground level car parking.
Now let's do the master plan. This is the master plan of Prestige Glenbrook. As you can see in the image, this project is constructed in single phase, consisting of 2 towers. Now let's have a look at some of the floor plans. This is the typical floor plan of Tower 2, having 7 flats per floor, 3 lifts, 2 staircases, and here 2 flats of 3 BHK, 4 flats of 2 BHK, and 1 flat of 4.5 BHK premium residencies. Now let's have a look at some of the unit plan. This is the unit plan of 2 BHK, 1067 square feet. This is the unit plan of 3 BHK, 2057 square feet. And this is the unit plan of 4 BHK, 2928 square feet super built up area.
Now coming to the most interesting part, that is the current construction status of the project. So as you can check out, this is 30% work completed till now. Now about the possession part. So the rate of possession of this project is December 2028, but the builder is giving possession by August 2027. If you're looking for more details of this project and you want the pros and cons as well, you need to register on www.housey.com and schedule your free site visit. So everyone, this was the project unboxing of the residential project, that is Prestige Glenbrook, which is located in Whitefield, Bangalore, a project by Prestige Group.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project unboxing videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.